Hey guys, it's Hannah. So it's outside raining, and me and Sarah are jumping on the trampoline. Oh my gosh! I just got that on camera. Woo! Did you really? It's still recording. Say hi. Hi. Oh my gosh! Okay, you want to do that 1, 2, 3 thing? Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3! I thought we were going to do it one more time and then fall. You're going to let it get wet? Yeah. Oh, inside. Oh, I don't do thunder. Woo! Woo! I don't do thunder. Ready. Wait. Do something funny. I did not. You guys saw nothing. Bye. Whip. Do whip. What? Do whip.
Like the whole thing?
Watch me whip, yeah.
Like,
Do it now!
why do I gotta do the whip?
Well then do, yeah.
Okay. I wrote that. First,
Do it. Yes, it is.
Oh Lord.
Do what I did. Slow motion.
I can't do that.
Yes, you can. You just whip your hair.
Oh, no.
Do it. No, that way. Yeah, keep doing that. But you gotta make it. Now you gotta say it. Slow motion. You do too many. Do something else.
Yeah.
Do something else. No.
I don't know anything.
Do a cartwheel.
What?
Do a cartwheel.
I can't do cartwheels.
Do a cartwheel.
I'll break my neck.
It's okay.
Wow.
Go, Sarah, run! 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 I don't want to run. Oh, Lord. Look at that. Whoa. Creepy. Go. Her and her short butt.
Shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up.
Hurry up.
Falling.
Only if I had slow motion, but sadly I have an iPhone 5. See. That sexy whip. Do it again. Do the hair flip.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh Lord. Oh, I wonder if I can do my hand. Oh. I'm gonna break my neck. I gotta get the. I gotta.
I don't know if I got that on camera. I hope I did. I know I got your landing real good.
Okay, I'm gonna try that again because it looks kind of cool.
Don't break your neck, please.
I can't even sit the landing with socks on, so.
Guys, look at that double rainbow. Isn't it pretty? We are out here and we were all dry and everything, so. Whoa, look at that rainbow over there. There's another, it's the same rainbow. No, it's not. Oh, it is the same rainbow. I'm an idiot. That's so cool though. rainbow! It's a rainbow! It's a rainbow! It's a rainbow! I love rainbows! Is there a unicorn? The unicorn pooped that rainbow! Guys, it's a rainbow. Guys, oh no, they didn't get any of that, but guys, it's a rainbow. It's a rainbow! I wonder if a unicorn pooped that. Do you think a unicorn pooped that? I'm pretty sure a unicorn pooped that. A unicorn farted and that happened. We gotta go get the pot of gold! We gotta go get the pot of gold! I don't care about your leg! I want the freaking pot of gold! Ah, it's going away! No! It can't go away! Ah, hey, it's pretty over there. Ah, it's going away.
I did this place.
It's going away. We get Wi-Fi!
Wi-Fi.
We get free Wi-Fi!
Wi-Fi.
We get free Wi-Fi! We get free Wi-Fi! Where'd it go? Free Wi-Fi, guys. Natural habitat, fall, fall, fall!
Macho man.
Wake Sarah up in the morning. You can see where I was drawing on her last night. She's up, everyone. The beast is up. Run!
Guys, that's the end of today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.